Are you looking for ways to enhance your videos with overlays? There's no need to create these motion graphics from scratch. Today I'm introducing you to VideoEffects, an online library of customizable video graphics that you can use to make your videos stand out and give them that professional touch. Before we dive in, my name is Michelle and I've been in the marketing game for close to 20 years now, and I love to share what I've learned and the tools that I use with other entrepreneurs. So if this info resonates with you or if it feels helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. And if you just saw that graphic that came across the screen, that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. Let me show you how to get your own graphics from VideoEffects. Let's take our quick look at VideoEffects.com. So this is custom video templates for creators. So currently they've got over 100 video overlay templates that you can use, and they do have them specified to, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. And I will show you how easy it is to customize one of these template overlays, like the one that you saw in my intro. But you can download these and then you can actually import it into your favorite app that you do your video creation with, or you can download them and also do desktop editors as well. So I'm going to take a look at the YouTube versioned ones. And I always love using the YouTube subscribe banners when I can. It just makes it interesting, to put into your videos, and is a great reminder for everybody to please like and subscribe if you like this video. All I need to do to customize is click this right here, and then I can actually use my profile and just pull the information in automatically. And so I've got my username there. I've got my subscriber count. I think I'm at 4.1K at the moment. It's got my profile picture in there. And then all I need to do, I can hit the preview over here and it'll give me a preview of what this looks like. So that's the preview of what it's going to look like. And so I can, if I'm ready to go, I can just click this generate button here, and then everything is ran on credit. So I can hit generate. It'll also take you to your orders page, which will show you everything that you have created so far. And then I can see my preview of the video overlay right there. And then I have the option of how I want to download it. So what file type and what quality that I would like to see it as. And so we can see with the MP4, we've got that green screen, and then it is transparent with the MOV. So I will normally, MP4 is fine with me. I will just click the HD version of this and hit download. And now I will be able to pop that into my video editor. The great news is if you'd like to try these for yourself, you can absolutely get started for free. You can get 20 credits at signing up, but I also have an offer for you. So if you use the link in my description and you use the promo code Michelle Creator, you'll be able to get 20% off all of your upgrades, which I think is a pretty great deal. And then if you have any questions of how do these get used, they have a really good FAQ section down here. So, common questions that you might have of what file types are offered, or how do the credits work, or how you can use these in your social media templates. They have those answers for you. So if you can't figure anything out, I am happy to answer any questions that you may have. And let me know what you think. Are these templates something that you would like to use? Are there any templates that you can think of that they aren't currently offering? They say they're continually adding new templates all the time. So let me know in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.